Hello friends, our today's activity is string art. We will need a foam sheet and colorful thread. Draw a square of 14 cm by 14 cm on the foam sheet. We have a square of 14 centimeters by 14 centimeters. Now we'll place a scale on the square and mark a series of 1 centimeter on each side. We'll mark a series of dots measuring 1 centimeter on all the 4 sides. So we have marked a series of 1 centimeter dots on all the 4 sides. Now we are going to start sewing a string. You can start with any one side. So when you are starting from this point, number 1, your thread will go back to number 1. Then when you pass the needle from the point number 2, the dot number 2, it will pass through the dot number 2 on the other side. Similarly, 3 will correspond with the third dot, 4 with the fourth dot, 5th with the 5th dot. So we are going to go in the pattern of numbers. You will need needle and this colorful thread. You have to take a long thread, that is, you have to take the thread in a good length and not a shorter one. So let's start. So we will pass the needle. Now this first dot will go in the first dot. So basically we are going to sew in a right angle. So if you're taking side, now this is side A, let's name the sides as side A, B, C and D. So from first dot of side A and first dot of side B. So this is our first step. Now the second dot of side A. See the second dot of side A. We will pass this in the second dot of side B. Now third dot of side A. Pass the needle to the third dot of side B. Then the fourth dot. So I hope you got the pattern. First corresponding with the first, second with the second, and so on. So you will continue to sew the side till you reach the end. So students, we have finished side A and B, and we have also started from side B and C. Now we will continue from side C and D. Now we will tie a knot at the reverse side. Our string art is now ready.